Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have iPad 3rd Air and I want to show you how fix the problem when your game you can't download anything from your app store because you don't have it there and you can find it on your iPad. To fix this problem, open Settings application. In it, choose your screen time and there we have our Connect and privacy, when we must choose first option, and there we have our installing app don't allow. We must change it from don't allow to allow, and that's all. We can go back and now we can try search our app store, which is visible right now. We can open it and install something from it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.